Hello everyone, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to install Python programming for a normal Windows operators and for the beginners as well. If you never use any IDE or programming languages before, doesn't matter. Today's class we are going to discuss how to install the Python for a beginners. Very basic and easy way. So as you can see, I have opened a one website on a screen which shows that how to download and from where you can download the source file for Python. The Python is a programming language which help you out to integrate with the multiple systems. So it is an interpreter of Python. How you can download? Simply go to that python.org and scroll down. You can see over here this download option. Click on this download, as I can just show you how to download because I already downloaded this file in my computer system. Second one is JetBrains Python downloads. This website is help you out to download the IDE. First one you can have the unified product download for the professional purposes, and this one is for the community, which is open source and free for the lifetime. So I also showed you how to download this. Click it, and after that the screen is going to show you the downloading file. You can see that I already have two files, Python and PyCharm. Let's first install the Python. So it's a very simple process. It shows that where the file is going to download, and just click it and click next. So it's going to take few minutes to install the Python in your computer system before we are going to install the PyCharm. So once you are done, then start the PyCharm. PyCharm is also a very simple installation. Just first see the location where the PyCharm is going to be installed. Next, this is a location where the file is going, and they're asking about the space, how much space you have required in your computer system. So add all, because it's required the shortcuts, add on open folder, this extension, then bin, and install. It's hardly take 1 to 2 minutes to install in your computer system, or if your computer system is little older, then it will take more time. I'm just moving forward. So as you can see that once a PyCharm installation has been done, so they are going to ask you either restart your computer now or manually. So I recommend always go for the manually one. So once it's done, just open the PyCharm shortcut on your screen. It is going to ask you a few more steps to configure your Python to use, and the system is ready for use, so you can do your coding. So now see, the PyCharm is ready. Now I just click on that icon, and it shows me the first screen of the PyCharm. It's asking me for the new project. Just click on the new project, and it's going to show me the details of the project name, and the version of the interpreter is there. Okay, and just click on create. It's going to take few seconds or few minutes as per the computer system. Let you to the codes for your program. First page for the details. That's it. And now this is a new option, file new, and Python file. I'm just going to write the test file. Test is going to open the Python. So if you configure everything properly, there will no error. Otherwise it will show you to add the interpreter first. So as whenever we are talking about the high level language and we have to test, so very simple language we have to test hello world. So print bracket open hello world by checking part. Once you click on, then you see hello world. So your PyCharm is ready for Python programming. Thank you everyone.